the team of experts from the WHO will be working hard to try and trace back the activities and the contacts of the first COVID-19 patients in Wuhan at the end of 2019, early 2020. And to do that, they'll need to have access to certain locations, to have access to certain data and to some samples that were collected by their counterparts in the Chinese scientific community. So one of those experts from the WHO team has said that actually while he was in quarantine, he's seen some data that was shared to him with him by the Chinese authorities that hasn't been shared publicly so far. So that's an encouraging sign, but there's obviously a huge risk of political interference, as we've seen with the Chinese authorities deleting this WeChat group, one of the largest social media apps in China that gathered all the gathered relatives of COVID-19 victims and asking those people to stay silent during the WHO's investigation in Wuhan. So all this goes to show that this is an extremely tense issue, the question of the origins of the virus, with many countries accusing China of not being transparent enough, accusing China of having been late in responding to the initial spread of the virus, and China responding with its own communication on the issue, saying that the virus may well have not originated in China, but was just detected for the first time in China, saying things that that the virus may have been imported to China on frozen seafood, for instance, a hypothesis that's been disproved by large chunks of this international scientific community. So the WHO is kind of stuck in the middle, trying to be impartial, saying that this mission is not here to apportion blame onto anyone, that they're just here to follow the science and collect the facts.